Hey guys, it's me, Strykar, and in today's video, I thought I would just do a little makeup tutorial. I'm just kind of getting ready for today. So summer's kind of coming to an end pretty soon. I'm going to college, and right now I'm kind of in the middle of looking for a new job because I need a job that's going to be compatible with going to college, like all my hours and stuff. So today's the day that I'm going to go out and job hunt, kind of doing a fancy makeup eye look. I don't know, just something intriguing, cute, and we're going to see how it turns out. So to start off, I'm going to prime with my Tarte Shape Tape. And this is just to prime my eyes with. I feel like whenever I start with a nice clean base, the shadows just come up so much cleaner and clearer. The first thing I'm going to start out with on my eyes is my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Illuminator. I'm going to use this to highlight just a little bit underneath my eyebrow. Now I'm going to use my Ciate, I believe that's how you say it, and this is Bamboo Bronzer. This is just a really nice light brown shade. And then I'm going to drag that down. It's almost like a point I'm creating at the end of my eye. I'm going to do the same thing on this side that I did on this side. Now we're just going to deepen up the eye look, and I'm going to go in with Cocoa Truffle from my Chocolate Gold Too Faced palette. And I'm going to use the shade Decadent from my Too Faced palette again. I'm going to move on to a ColourPop Little Pot shadow, and this is in the shade Bouncy. Back to my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to take that Living Lava shade, and this is like a pretty purple. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of wing liner. I'm going to use my Lorac eyeliner. Real quick, I'm going to prime my face and set my eyes with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It's like the best of both worlds. For now, I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation as usual, and this is in the shade Warm. To contour, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Highlight and Contour. And real quick, I'm going to finish setting my face with a e.l.f. setting powder. This is a Prime and Stay finishing powder in the shade Fair. And to bronze with my Tarte Park Ave Princess Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Now, I don't know exactly how to pronounce this. I think it's Douce or Douce Max Lash Volumizing Mascara. And this is a really, really good one. It just has a nice thick wand, and I feel like it just gets those lashes right. And now we're going to highlight with my Josie Maran, what is this, Argent Enlightenment Illuminizer, a little liquid highlighter. And this is just a really, really pretty shade. I thought it'd be a nice one to use. And when I'm using a liquid highlighter, I like to do one side at a time so that it's more controlled while it's like damp. Because if it starts to dry while you're putting highlighter on other places, it just, I feel like it gets kind of messy, I don't know. I'm going to use my Mary Luminizer on the inner tear duct of my eye. Okay, and real quick, I'm going to prime my lips with my ColourPop Lippy Stick. And I think this is pretty good stuff. I used it a few times. And I'm just going to throw a little bit of that on. And now I'm going to line my lips with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Whiskey. This is just such a pretty brown. Like, I'm obsessed with how it comes out on my lips. And I'm just going to do a little clear gloss. Okay, I think this gloss probably looks the best out of the couple of lips that I had to choose between. Okay, I don't even know what this look is right now. I'm not feeling my hair down. I don't know what I want to do with it. Should I just leave it down? I don't know. Well, I need to set my face first off, and I'm going to use my Longwear Hard Candy Setting Spray. This is the Sheer Envy Longwear, 12-hour Longwear and Hydration. I hope you guys are liking it. I don't know if I do or not yet. I think this is what I'm going to wear. I just have like a little black tank top on right now, and then I was going to throw on some like black jeans with rips in them. So this is what I'm calling the final look. I am headed off to the mall to shop around, find a new job. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna apply a couple different places. I don't know, me and my boyfriend might get lunch or something. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time.